This thing is an industry standard developed in the mid 1990 that defines the cables, connectors, and the communication protocols used in bus for connection, then communication and power supply between computers and electronic power devices or powers. Then this thing was to design to standardize the connection of computer peripherals, including the keyboards, pointing devices, digital cameras, printers, the disk drivers, network adapters, and others, to personal computers, both to communicative and to supply electric power. It has become commonplace on the devices that such as smartphones, PDAs, and video game consoles.